What's good, everybody? Welcome back to another video. I haven't looked at the charts yet. Well, I did earlier on, but I don't have a set bias yet. Yesterday's trade worked out very well. Only the first TP hit, the other one took me out at break even, so only made like 86. And then look at that. So even if I had left the trade, I would have gotten stopped out because that second TP wouldn't have gotten hit. Would have just gotten, look at that, juked out of it. So that would have sucked. But yeah, let's just see what today. I'm gonna just delete this one because these are still those lows that we have. Delete this. So far Tuesday, of course, we got a W and it's market open right now. Let me just do that opening range. Yeah, I think we might want to continue buying. Um, we just price might want to do a bit of a retracement right there. You know what I mean? And we have that opening range gap. I think the London high. But the London low is like somewhere here. Let me see. Yeah, this is the London low, London high. That's our London low right over there. But I generally don't. I don't think price might wanna go. I mean, who am I to decide? Let's put it at 10. I won't be on the charts too long. We'll just see if we do get a trade using that first fair value gap, and if I'm sure about it, then I will take it. If not, we'll just leave it. Right? I'm gonna take something I'm really confident in, and we have this opening range gap midpoint, which aligns with this end dog right over here. So we want to hold price coming back here, before 10 o'clock, and then maybe see continuation to the upside. We have these nice low highs right there. We have these, you see, we created relative equal highs, these highs. So I want to see will price want to come and potentially go higher. So let's just wait for the damage to be done, of course, and we're gonna be done. So let me just we have this 15-minute fair value gap. Let me just see. I want to see if it just aligns with the okay, we have this. I want to see if it aligns with the midpoint. If it does align with this midpoint, then I think we'll be good. Ah, we came into this 15 minutes, so we want to see price respect the upper half of it. And then maybe come here. I'm looking at this first fair value gap, 13th of August, as a target because that opening range gap is there, the midpoint of it. And as you guys know, yesterday we didn't tap into the opening range gap. The midpoint we didn't. So let's just let this play out and let's see what we get opportunities to buy. But let them get the damage done out the way first, and then we'll work with that. Waiting for that first fair value gap. And then we'll use it. We do have news as well. We have news at 2 and 2:30. Trump speaking. Hopefully, it doesn't make the morning slow ish. I really do. But yeah, let's just see what happens. Let's see, do we get a chance? Do we get a chance? And just to show you guys, I did. You guys see the balance, and let me show you guys the trade real quick. What ended up happening? There we go. First TP got hit. Look at that. And then the second one got taken out break even. Just right there. So pretty much it. Let's see what we get to this coming back into this first fair value gap, 18th of August. I'm gonna wait for this 15 minutes because yeah, that's usually when I catch cheese during this morning session. So that's the last thing we need. We came into this fair value gap right over here and we respected it. This one. Yeah, this is our London high, our London low, right there. Bum, 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 bum. Looks like we're getting for that opening range gap midpoint. That's what I'm looking at, and we have a fair value gap here as well. Let me see something on a calculate this range. Let's just it's from 7 o'clock. From 7 to 9. I think it's 9. Is it 7 to 8 or 7 to 9? Uh, quite sure, mate. Okay, this is a valid fair value gap. It's at a quadrant level. So you want to see if price and respect this opening range gap midpoint. Then we have the end dog. I'm so sleepy, bro. Okay, now that I see that we went below, okay, we can give it time. We went below it. Came to this one right there. We don't have a first value gap as of yet. I mean, we do have this one, but it's too small. I think it's gonna sell. Okay, let's see. Is this our first one then? I'm just make it a little brighter colors, make it red. Okay, this is that first value gap. Okay, since my bias is generally bias, I would wanna see it go above this first. If I were to buy, let's make it a little bit darker. If I were to buy and see it above it, it looks like we might close the opening range gap, and we inverse this. We inversed this. We went below it, As you guys can see, we went below it and then price came back, retested, and then going lower. So let's just wait for this 50-minute candle to close. And we're gonna be done. Betas gonna go low. We do have obviously the London low right there. Just delete this. And genuinely, bro, this wait, let me see something. My target hasn't been hit. These lows are too smooth, bro. And what makes it worse is that these two, bro, look at this, bro. It's way too smooth. These lows are way too smooth. Way too smooth. Way too smooth for my liking. I mean, it has to take these out. Because yeah, we just fell short doing it. I know I said my bias was thinking, but if this fair value gap closes below this, bro, we shorting, bro. We definitely shorting. But like, let's just see what happens. We have 4 minutes. Oh. And we are below that 15-minute fair value gap. We are at today's end dog. Mm. So if you are gonna sell, I see it going way beyond this, which is this. I'm thinking about this. And also, if I were to sell, I'd rather wait for it to come back up here because as you guys can see, we left this for value gap and we still have this one. And we still have and this we left. So let's see what we want to come back up here and use this to go short. That's what I'm thinking. A new 15-minute candle is about to open. Let's see will that 15-minute candle push to come here and then go lower. Okay. Those lows are too smooth. I can't stop thinking about those lows. They're just too smooth. Excuse me. So we just need a wick that will push in. I could even put limit orders actually. Moving reaction of that end dog. Uh, mm, mm. As respecting that opening range gap and the end dog, as you guys can see there, it's respecting it. But I'm gonna still wait. I'm gonna be patient, and hopefully during the macro something happens. 15 minutes until the macro. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, on the 5 minute, we going back into this for value gap. This 5 minute for value gap because it's price tapped into it right there. Right. And we closed below it actually. This 50 minutes. Yeah. Oof, a heavy displacement. It's that London low right there. Let's see, we're gonna take out this London low. We took out the London low. It's too far extended, bruh. It's too far extended, bruh. Also, oh, I just see something now. Look at this. The universe this as well. It left it, came back multiple times. The body staying at the lower half of that. Very nice. And it's coming for the target. Oh my god. Oh well. Oh well, oh well, oh well. There it goes, boys. There it goes. There goes our trade. There goes our trade. Mm. Ah, except this little in the macro now. I think it's gonna go with Daughters, boys. We just gotta see. Are we gonna catch maybe the trade that takes us back up here? Look at that daily. And where could it turn back? I actually saw this earlier. Worst case scenario. This is this week's midpoint. And we just hit that my main target of liquidity there. So worst case scenario, that price could come all the way back down here to this daily wick. Daily wick. Worst case scenario. There we go. Price coming back all the way. We are also at a so yeah, this corner one. How many pips is this? Over 200 today. You're gonna do over 200 pips, bro. One move. Man, F Nasdaq, bro. So we hit that main target of liquidity that I had in mind. Those relative equal lows that I told you they were too smooth. Prices ended up taking those out though. Ooh, this is what I think it is. And there's some T-like versions, chat. Obviously, this is a problem right there. the next they might want to buy the second macro. Bah, 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 I might wanna buy this chat. Oh no. I wanna see price close uh, above this. But now we came back into this big fair value gap right there. And we tapped into this and then it might and then go down. Cause yeah, the bodies are respecting this fair value gap. Ba, 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 ba. Let's see, does it respect the midpoint? Let me see what's the midpoint of this. And there's nothing special about the wig, but or we have 10 o'clock coming soon. And the price is currently respecting the bodies of this fair value gap, which might show that it wants to go lower. But how far? How far is probably this for me. This is where I'll call it this daily wick midpoint. If it does want to show willingness. But I see the SMT diversions. I see, bro. Oh, the SP 500 has no plans of going lower. Nasdaq on the other hand has bigger plans. You see that? It just keeps respecting the midpoint there. So if you were to trade this would be the idea. That would be the idea. But I think this is down, but I think it wants to buy. But I wanna see it close above this to buy. I'm not really afraid of this one, but I wanna see it close above this. Why did it do that? Well, on my broker close. I went for buys. Wish me all the best. I went for buys. Um, long. Stop loss is above below this week. Hey, I might get stopped that and stuff, but hey man. Hey man. Shout out to the gang. It's 10 o'clock. Let's see what happens. And I'm gonna get stopped out. Oh, let me show you guys. I mean, there's proof. And I'm gonna get stopped out. Yeah, I lost this one. I lost. Wait, do you guys see that? You guys stopped out. Okay, wait, just wait for it to finish. Oh. Bro, yesterday we got the same. I took the same trade where I got stopped out like this. I'm gonna get stopped out. It went up. It went below. Oh my days. I'm gonna get stopped out. It went below the fair value gap. It's gonna come back and retest it, and then it's gonna go higher. I mean, go lower. Sorry, and then go for that daily wick. Oh well, boys. That's it for me. See you guys on the next one. Yo, why is it not stopping me out? It's like I wanted to stop me out. It's coming back into that fair value gap, and then it's probably gonna go lower. Retrace to go lower. So it's coming back to test into this. Coming back to test into this, and then probably then go lower to this. Okay, I'm still in, so I'm just gonna do this according to the broker. Boys, it was lovely. I'm just gonna wait for it to stop me out. Yeah, we're just waiting to get stopped out at this point. Eating out of fast food. You guys see, I'm still in drawdown. So I think for me, I'm considering this being stopped out because it could because of this what happened here. So I just consider myself stopped out, and I do think it's gonna come and then come into this area right here, that daily wick midpoint. So it almost stopped me out again. Look at that. Look at that. A wick. It's gonna okay. This it has to be this one. Yeah, see that? And I'm gonna call it a day when this is done. And I'm gonna see you guys on the next one, bro. Whoa, what the fuck? Please. Was it just giving me a chance to get out while I'm still ahead? I think so. I think it might be giving me a chance to get out while I'm still ahead. It's coming back into it came back into this first value gap again. I mean this again. Okay, yeah, this has to be this next candlestick. But I genuinely couldn't tell you what's going on. In my mind, I'm genuinely stopped out, bro. Yo, yo, holy stop loss. Holy stop loss. Holy stop loss placement, bro. Let's see, will it go above this? That's only we can feel safe. And then we can see price. Maybe, maybe potentially coming for these. But these are my take profits. One and take profit two. Yeah. So, and you guys, let's see what we will give us a chance to go above it. And then once we'll only be safe one price goes above this. And then when we done, once we're done in the macro, I'm gonna hop off. Because as you see, it's respecting that. It's just retesting it. I'm gonna hop off. I'm gonna see what's in the next one, bro. And there we go. I think it was giving me a chance to get out while I could. I still could. It was lovely, boys. We literally came back and respected that for value gap, the lower half of it, of this one, of this one. So it's wraps. It's wraps. I think it's genuinely wraps. It's supposed to go down now. It's supposed to stop me out because you see, it even failed. So it was lovely. There we go. Whoop. I got stopped out. Yeah, give me a chance, bro. Look at that, bro. It literally came. It was a good stop loss, though. How much? Womp, womp, womp. Anyway, we took a loss. We tried to buy this, and we got hurt in that process of doing that. So we're currently down. They're like 80. Wait, why is that one more? No, we're down 86 rands. We're down 86, boys. Looks like Nasdaq wants to go lower, and we try to buy it. And I got burned trying to do that. Well deserved though. Deserved. So yeah, that's it from me. I'm gonna see you guys on the next one. Let me just screenshot this loss. Uh, let me just remove this real quick for the thumbnail. Okay. I'm not gonna lie, when you did this, it kind of gave me hope, but I think this was just a chance to get out. I should have just taken it. um, I mean, for shorts, because as you guys can see, it was respecting this, right? And on my broker, to be honest, when I saw my broker that this was out, I don't know if you guys can be able to see it. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. You see that on the broker right here. This wick was out. That's what gave me the confidence. You know, I'm gonna buy it. Although Nasdaq, it's still below. I just did it here and then I put my stop loss below that. So Yeah. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Um, yeah, it is gonna low. It looks like it is gonna go lower, and I'm looking at this. So the ideal trade would have been this, using this as a retracement. But just before that, anything before that. But yeah, but I didn't. Skyami, Skyami. Ba bum ba bum bum. Yeah, bro, it literally gave me a chance to quit while I was still ahead. But you know us boys, we think we know it all. Oh, Nasdaq. How I hate you sometimes. Um, mm, yeah, but I'll take the loss, guys. See you guys in the next one, and you guys can see I got burnt. Yes, it wasn't a downtrend, but honestly, this SMT diversion, seeing this kind of gave me that boost of like, oh, we probably want to go, you know, higher. That's what kind of got to me. Um, but yeah, I was just on the wrong side of the trade. I was on the wrong side, and that's on me. That's on me for still trying to buy it. Clearly telling me that, hey, yo, I'm not trying to go up, bro. I'm trying to go down. Yeah, but this is a loss, boys. I'm gonna see you on the next one. This is probably gonna hit. We are down 83. Mm, let's clean this. Yeah, man. Oh, man. Oh, man. Yeah, boys. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Take care. Uh, let's see what we get tomorrow. Tomorrow, there's news. Hopefully, the price action is nice. Well, this is nice as well. It was just spending time here, and kind of just gave me a bit of hope. But as you guys can see, Nasdaq has other plans. Yeah, man. Thank you guys. See you guys in the next one. And